Hello people, yes, so here we are, and we have had some warm weather. Isn't that absolutely beautiful and brilliant? So yes, daytime temperatures of about 20 degrees C, I think, or at least it was today, there or thereabouts. That's about, isn't that about 68 degrees Fahrenheit, something like that, and apparently yes, nighttime temperatures. We've got a nighttime temperature over the next few days, 11 degrees C, which is about 51 degrees Fahrenheit. So great temperatures. Now, hopefully, your plants are truly rocking and rolling out there. They're rocking and rolling here, and they're looking very good, actually. Literally, the growth one can see almost on a daily basis. The speed in which these plants are moving and excelling their plantiness is absolutely plantastic, brilliant, lovely, berdocious. So very happy about that. So anyway, what I thought I would do is to take the old camera around and show you the speed of the growth, because seeing speed of growth can be a very nice thing to see. But intriguingly enough, now I did a bit of purchasing this morning. Internet purchasing, I must add, which is not necessarily what, you know, I spoke about this before, I should be doing all the time, so I will be going down and buying some from a shop soon. But anyway, now, what have I purchased? Well, you will have to wait and see. I know I'm horrible, aren't I? But never mind, you're going to have to wait and see anyway. But yes, so I've ordered 3 things, okay, one of which, now I'm going to let you guess here. If you want to, you know, be sort of cool about this, you can put the comments down below if you want. Anyway, now, what have I ordered? Well, one of them I've spoke a lot about before. So, 3 guesses on that one. If I've got a dirty face today, I haven't had a shower yet. I cut a load of ivy off of a wall today, and you know what that's like. You get the old dust in the face. But anyway, yes, so that's one thing I've done. What am I talking about? Oh yes, yep. So I've ordered one of those, and I've ordered 2 of something else. 2 of something else, but the same species, but different varieties of it. There you go. So anyway, no more clues. You have to wait until the videos come. But either way, let's go and have a look around, because that's always. Oh, by the way, oh, my arm is aching. Oh dear, I've really got to get back to using the camera. I hope you can see me. Can you see me all right there? I hope you can. Now, what am I talking about? That's it. Apparently, we're in for a 3-month heat wave here in the UK. Do you believe that? Is it going to happen? Who knows? But intriguingly enough, has your lawn recovered from last year? I mean, I've been hearing about people, you know, getting their lawns re-turfed. I've reseeded a few myself for people, patch reseeding and things like that. But surely, I mean, what if that happens again and you've paid like a load of money to have your lawn re-turfed? Food for thought, isn't it? One may suggest. But yes, so there we go. How's your lawn looking? What a question. That is the ultimate. No, it's terrible. They could be misconstrued, but that truly is the best chat-up line. How's your lawn looking, love? Anyway, now, what should we do? Now, let's look at these strawberries, because these look lovely. Now, there you go. Look at those strawberries. It is twilight, by the way, so that's why the camera's not necessarily, you know, the picture's the best. Then look at them strawberries, flower. We have a beautiful flower. All the flowers are here for me and you. We have another beautiful flower. And there's one there for you too. There you go, look. God, look at that. It's almost like a little orange starting there. Now they're looking cool, aren't they? I mean, look at these squashes. I mean, the growth in just a few days. they're in, you know this, because most of the people viewing my channel now, my regular uploads, I think are regular viewers, so thank you very much. I so appreciate that. It's lovely, it really is. Yeah, so, you can literally see the speed of the growth here that's coming on, and it's just bumblebee, or bee, look, that's what we want. I mean, it's about 8:30 at night, and he's still hard at work. Goes to show, doesn't it, the work ethic that is required for us to succeed. Isn't it brill? You know what, sometimes I do really wonder what goes through my head. Now, I set up this little melon project in here. I'm going to show you that another time. But, I've got this tree here that's got to be moved, really, if I'm going to keep this. I don't want to move it. I mean, this is a Worcester pearman, but beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It's got carrying a crop this year. Had a small crop last year, but they were so small because of the drought. But, shall I show you them or shall I not? Nah, not. I'm going to show you them. I want to just let them establish a bit better, then you can see them. But they're under here. So anyway, let's talk a little bit about these, look. Blueberries. Now, I've been told that you should be watering these on a daily basis, okay? And this is from a professional blueberry grower. Okay? Apparently they like to be watered daily. There you go. A hint and tip. Okay, so the veg garden, it's coming on at a speed of extreme speedness, and the weather is helping with this. But I'm having to make sure I put some cucumbers in. Look, one there, one at the back, another one there. I think there's 3 cucumbers. That might even be a squash. It's something. It is indeed an edible crop, or will be. Now, I'm having to keep these watered because it's so dry at the moment. But this is spinach and Swiss chard. I mean, look, this literally every day, I look at this, it's getting bigger. A bit like the hole in my socks. Waste not, want not. Now, potatoes, tatties. What's taters, precious? What's taters, eh? I mean, look, brilliant. The zeros. Now, runner beans, it's looking absolutely, the speed in which this is happening is, I'm finding it hard to fathom. I mean, the crop I'm going to be getting, I don't think I gave you a close-up of these, but the crop I'm going to be getting off of these Tayberries, this could be potentially immense. I mean, look how many there are there. Unbelievable, isn't it? Unbelievable, unbelievable. It's just, sometimes you cannot believe the unbelievable. And there it is in front of you here. I mean, look at that rose. Considering this was going to be dumped, and I rescued this beautiful rose bush from a fate of getting chucked away and it going. But look, it's got some aphids on it, but I'm going to leave them. Never mind, eh? Crops ready to, more flowers to come. Oh, if you've taken grapevine cuttings, make sure you keep them moist, because if you don't, they won't get through and they won't take. All right? So anyway, things are moving. They are moving, Patsy. What's going on here? Something. Anyway, now, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. I hope you're enjoying the gardening season as much as I am. If things are not necessarily going well, a bit like my melon project, I'm sure you've got other things in the garden that are going well. So, a lot of it is truly trial and error. Thanks for viewing and enjoy your evening. See you next time. No more seagulls. Not today.